Tune in. Bushcraft Zombie. Bushcraft Zombie here. Just waiting out the rain. I think I might use one of my dry bags to collect some water. Wow, it's really starting to come down. It's only been almost 5 minutes and my bag's already filled up to right here. Yeah, it's really starting to come down now. I'll check back in a few. Okay, I'm back. I just transferred my water into my stainless steel water bottle. I'm going to light the Esbit stove. I'm just going to use a lighter for this. Kind of takes a minute for those cubes to get going. I have a fire still with me and some flint and steel, but the flint and steel is for another video, so bear with me. Totally filled up my water bottle. Wow, hasn't even been 20 minutes. Okay, that should be good. Set her on here. There we go. And this cube's burned for about 8 minutes. So I'll get back to you. Actually, this is the kind of tea I'm brewing up. Whoops. It is some toasted coconut almond black tea. So I'll let that warm up, add the tea bags, and I'll get back to you. Man, it's really coming down out here. Okay, well, I got my tea in there. It's brewing up. Still coming down pretty good. Just enjoying my tea, waiting for the rain to let up. My bag is a little over the quarter full now. Cheers. Ah, that's good. Okay, well, I'm back. The rain's lit up a little bit. Almost have a half a bag of water. But my dog is wanting to go, so since it's lit up anyway, I'm gonna pack up and go. Yeah. Till next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.